Okay, so Carl and Phil, we're gonna go change our clothes real quick because
like we need to freshen up.
yeah, basically.
Yeah.
And
Just don't talk to him.
yeah.
Just don't.
Bye, Phil.
Bye.
Bye, Carl. We'll be going now. Bye.
Uh-oh.
Dong dong.
Oh my god, my skirt's falling.
Oh my god, I like
Oh my god.
Oh
Oh my god.
my god. Where are our clothes?
Did you make out with me?
What are you doing? Are you Paris Hilton? No, wait.
No, like I totally went off the elevator. My clothes were like totally off. Did you like rape me?
Probably.
Bitch.
Okay. So like, anyway.
Dude, move your arms.
I'm trying.
My
Okay,
hair
I was trying to
looks
fix
so
my hair.
bad.
Okay?
Oh my god.
Okay. Now, we're gonna go change our